In today's video, I will walk you through how to reduce gas fees on Uniswap. Gas fees can sometimes make a transaction more expensive than expected, especially on the Ethereum network. Fortunately, there are a few strategies that can help you save money. Let's jump right in. Gas fees are network fees paid to process transactions on the blockchain. These fees aren't collected by Uniswap. Instead, they're paid to the validators who secure the network and confirm transactions. The amount you pay depends on how busy the blockchain is at the time your transaction is submitted. A great way to save on gas fees is by using Layer 2 networks supported by Uniswap. When available, switching from Ethereum mainnet to a Layer 2 network can significantly reduce transaction costs while still allowing you to access many of the same features. Before making a swap, be sure you're connected to the network that supports the tokens you want to trade. Whenever you initiate a swap, Uniswap and your connected wallet will display an estimated gas fee before the transaction is finalized. Take a moment to review this estimate. If possible, avoid making several small swaps in a short period of time. Since each transaction requires its own gas fee, combining your trades into fewer transactions may reduce your overall network costs. And that's how you can reduce gas fees on Uniswap.